Let's have a little test of the ball screw mounting on the base chassis. Here we see the CNC base chassis, 2x1 unequal angle aluminium, bolted together. Center Y-axis ball screw bolted to the chassis. The nut is free spinning, and this little mount will be for the table when we fit the linear rail. So for now, for this demonstration, I'll just stop the nut and adapter from spinning by placing these blocks just alongside it. So we'll see the nut hopefully move along the ball screw. I'll reverse the drill and we'll see it go the other way. Here we go. Not going too fast. And reversing. So that's the Y-axis ball screw bolted to the bottom chassis. We're waiting for the linear rails, which normally fit either side of the ball screw, but I've left myself the option of moving the ball screw to one side and maybe just having one linear rail. But as with all development work throughout this project, like other projects, the design will evolve and things will change as I see them in action and decide which to keep and which not to keep.